Hi! It's a new day, new ride adventure at DRT Bulacan, Philippines! We will meet our friend, Doc Eric, here at Bulacan. Then, on the way to our first stop, Higos Hills. Ayan. Ganda ng road, grabe. Ayan, pitik muna, pitik! Noong time na yan, sobrang daming pitik na. Ayan yung sample ng picture. So nice. Thank you, DRT Pitikeros. And this is my husband with me. Binabaybay na namin yung DRT road. And this is our first stop, Higos Hills. Anyway, itong Higos Hills na to, first time namin pumunta dito. Even though third time na namin sa DRT. Kasi ang tarik dito. So, tinay na din namin. Of course, I'm a lady rider. This is my ride, Ryan Tiger 850. Medyo mataas, syempre nakakatakot. As we reach the arch, yan, Higos Hills Welcome Arch. Meron pa palang next na lubak-lubak na road. But, nakayanan naman namin. Ayan, sobrang medyo basa siya, rough. Medyo mahaba-haba din. First time ko talagang nag-ride sa ganyang rough na road. Basa pa, maputik. And luckily, hindi naman ako nadulas. Wala naman sa amin nadulas. So, we are very thankful na okay naman lahat. Ayan siya. Yan! Yay! Na-reach ko naman without asking for my husband's help. Okay naman ako. Here's the pond view of Higos Hills. Ayan. Pwede kang mag-trail biking dito. Ayan sila. Ayan. It's may uphill, downhill view. So, after namin magpalipid ng drone, picture, video, ayan. We are ready na for our second stop to Tila Pilon Cafe. And that's my husband ready to take off na. Grabe, ang ganda talaga dito sa DRT. Kaya kahit ako ulit-ulit kaming pupunta dito, okay lang. That's step on two wheels, follow me. Ayan, isang kasama namin naka Z9 SE bago yan. Ito na kami, dito na kami. So, thank you husband for parking my bike. 6 kami today. Ayan kami lahat. At saka nagdikit na rin ako sticker ka dyan for the first time. Ito yung front view ng cafe. Nice dyan. Okay ang food, okay ang price. As we take off, ayan, nag-video kami as we go U-turn. As you can see, lahat kami medyo nadulas dyan kasi nga, umulan habang kumakain kami. But, luckily, okay din kami. That's our friend, okay. Ito yung mga sample namin ng putik. So nice, grabe talaga. Ganda-ganda. Kaya visit kayo dito, sobrang daming pitikeros dito. Ang gaganda ng shots nila. Well, syempre, after ng ride, ayan na yung mga bags namin. Sobrang putik talaga. Pero, syempre, masaya naman kami. Ayan. Syempre, the following day, nililinisin namin yung bikes namin. Kasi hindi ako mapapahalaya hanggat di ko nalilinisan yan. Kasi feeling ko didikit lahat yan sa motor. Which is ayoko nun. And this is our bike now. Super shiny, super ganda na, super linis. Blow dry pa yung mga yan, Yes, that's my bike. Ganda na ulit, malinis, and ready na sa next ride. Yay! Bye!